Whenever I see your smiling face.
Okay, welcome back, like school students. This is question number 3 from the speaking section of the official guide to new TOEFL iBT from ETS. Okay, on this question is called campus situation question, where there is a change in the university, and that is stated in the reading. And in the listening, there are 2 students basically talking about the change and giving opinions about the change. Okay, whether that person agrees or disagrees, and following there are reasons why that is so. Okay, so let's go over the question first, and then go over the reading and the listening. Okay, here we go. The woman expresses her opinion of the announcement made by the university president. Okay, state her opinion and explain the reasons she gives for holding that opinion. Okay, so let's go over the reading first. Okay, reading is this was the title, right? Announcement from the president. Okay, so that was made from the president. Okay, here we go, and it's basically stating that there is a tuition and fees increase. Okay, how many percent? 8%. Okay, and it's starting from next semester. Okay. And there are reasons why they're doing it in the reading as well. Okay, the first reason was, since there are more students, they think that more teachers are needed. Okay, so they're hiring more teachers. Okay, and second of all, they're stating that university has commitment to research and technology. Okay, and the reason why that is the case is because they think renovations and upgrades to lab facilities are required. Okay, all right, that was from the reading. Okay, let's go over the listening now. Okay, in the listening, basically the woman talks about her opinion, right? And so she agrees with the change. Okay, and there are the 2 reasons why. Okay, here we go. Reason number 1, she states that more teachers are needed, since more classes are required as well, since there are too many students available. Okay, and by providing more classes, okay, more personal attention can be made. Okay, when you take a look at the picture over here, you can probably see like 200 to 300 students in one room, one auditorium, and this is a very difficult situation for each individual students to ask question. Okay, so not much attention will be provided for each individuals. Okay, whereas if you're in a small group, you can actually, and there are more chance that you can ask questions. Okay, so before, she's stating that before, classes were too small. Okay, were very small, but however now it is too big. Okay, and because of it, there is less attention being made to each individual student. Okay, okay, let's go over reason number 2. Okay, and she also states that she's very worried about getting job after graduation. Okay, the reason why she states that is because currently the lab actually has lack of equipment, or which is not there, or which is outdated, or therefore she cannot get much of an experience once she goes out in the market. Okay, so this would actually result her to be not competitive to others who actually went through experiments with other things, like with oscilloscope, or working with the device, like that. Okay, okay, so she was actually referring about the microbiology experiment, and since equipments are out of date, and they don't have enough equipment, this is very difficult for her to do so. Okay, all right, so for this question, okay, very first thing that you have to do is talk about the change, and then after that you need to talk about the woman's opinion. She agrees with the change, right? and 2 reasons why she was agreeing with it, right? Okay, so you need to provide those things. Make sure to go over this video once more and listen carefully, and also go over some of the notes that are being provided, and be sure to generate your version of the answer for this question and go over that. And if you have any mistakes that you have made, please do go over it once more to fix it. Okay, let's go on to question number 4 on academic lecture.